Bad man breeze.
Hello guys, welcome back to Foodright Kitchen. Today's recipe is Nigerian stew. I'm going to be showing you guys how I cook my Nigerian stew. And this Nigerian stew is with assorted meat, which you can have with any type of meal like rice. You can have it with bread, you can have it with beans, you can have it with any solid food. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy the video. To make the Nigerian stew, I will need fresh tomatoes and tomato puree, scotch bonnet, red onions, spring onions, red pointed pepper. Actually, the red pointed pepper is the same thing as red bell pepper. It's because I couldn't find that in the market, so that's why I'm using this. Also, Maggie cube, curry powder, salt to taste, and olive oil. Okay, so to make the assorted meat, I will need cow rib, which is Abodi. I will need Shaki. Shaki is cow stomach, intestine. I will need kpomo, cow skin, goat meat, chicken, then snail. This is a wash clean snail. So to cook the assorted meat, I will need Maggie cubes, garlic, ginger, curry powder, thyme, salt to taste, and chopped onions. So just the Abodi, which is the cow rib, is already been parboiled. So parboiled means half cooking. The same thing as the Shaki as well. So the Shaki, I have parboiled it as well, so that they will be soft, because normally if you don't parboil it, it's usually hard, very hard to bite. So that's why I did the parboiling before cooking everything together.
What's up in your area? We could talk about that what we did. I do say no talking game. But then you wake up on your brain. For me, kpomo to hookah. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Bangas with a tika. Every to new. Set it the work, got the family, make me come. So many times I did wonder, waiting to make it the Foodright. Give me the bully and fish, pour me some wine, make a step down. And you must have no cooking job, but then you wake up on your brain. For me, kpomo to hookah, can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Bangas with a tika. Set it the work, got the family, make we gather, make we chop. Onjaji no eje kan farabale, kajo jẹun aládùúgbò yìí o. Language number will let you see eléyìí tún yàtọ̀ wájẹ́ pọ́nìlá o. Come and get some good recipe, it's very easy, stop stressing it. What's up in your area? We could talk about that what we did. I do say no talking game, but then you wake up on your brain. For me, kpomo to hookah, can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Bangas with a tika. Every to new. Set it the work, got the family, make we gather, make we chop. So many times I did wonder, waiting to make it the Foodright. Give me the bully and fish, pour me some wine, make a step down. And you must have no cooking job, but then you wake up on your brain. For me, kpomo to hookah, can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Bangas with a tika. Every to new. Set it the work, got the family, make we gather, make we chop. Onjaji no eje kan farabale, kajo jẹun aládùúgbò yìí o. Language number will let you see eléyìí tún yàtọ̀ wájẹ́ pọ́nìlá o. Come and get some good recipe, it's very easy, stop stressing it. What's up in your area? We could talk about that what we did. I do say no talking game, but then you family, make we gather, make we chop. Okay, 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 okay. Ota. So many times I dey wonder, waiting they make it the food right. Give me the bully and fish, pour me some wine, make I step down. Mami musemu kokinje, balera you wake up on your bed. For me ni kpomo to rupa, can afford to miss it the good vibe. Banga suta tika iko, efori reto neruguru. Set the table, call the family, make we gather, make we chop. Onja jino eje kan farabale, kajo jamu alabidu hiyo.
Okay guys, so the Nigerian stew is ready now. I love what I'm saying. It's making sense. Like, it makes sense. When I say it makes sense, it means that it's looking delicious, it's everything. Anyway, so this is it after many process of, you know, cooking this delicious stew. So this type of stew, you can have it with any side dish, like any swallow, like okra, ewedu, vegetable stew, soup, or even with bread. Once you're okay with the consistency and the taste, that's fine, because this type of stew, it is not fried stew, as you can see how the consistency is. So guys, if you like what you're seeing, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. And guys, so I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.
Can afford to miss it the good vibe.